Hello guys, welcome to the Manual Education. So guys, today we'll talk about the CUET 2021 and that is the Christ University entrance test. So guys, if you are looking for the Christ University, we already made the videos on the important dates. Okay, your exam will be held in 21st of March and also in the first week of June. So guys, if you are preparing for CUET 2021, try in first allot, that is the 21st March exam. Okay, so you will get the ideas about the exam pattern, even the micro presentation and how they will run the personal interview. So you will get total ideas about that, and suppose you fail to crack the CUET, then you can again try in the June month. So guys, if you are looking for proper materials, proper resources for the CUET and wanna enhance your preparation by adding some boosters, the guidance, mentorship, and you wanna some cognitive effects, then guys join our crash course. So Manual come up with the crash course program, so you can join and enhance your preparations. So very first one guys, we have launched our new YouTube channel named Manual BBA Entrance, which is very specific to all BBA entrance examinations such as the IP MAT, ANPAT, SET, Christ, DUJAT, UGAT, IPOCET, St. Xavier's and all other entrance exams. So if you are planning for any of these exams to enter into their respective institute and want up preparations, call our board line number 8828581455. So this link also mentioned in the description guys. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates on that. So let's come to our main point, the Manual crash course for CUET 2021. So what exactly it is and why CUET? Because guys, if you want to enter into the top institutes for your undergraduate program and even for the master programs, then you have to crack their respective entrance exams. So Christ has CUET. So in the crash course program, you will get all basic concepts, all the fundamental concepts, and you will learn to various shortcut tricks, and that is known as the googly shortcuts. You will also get the access for the PDF files and also the handouts for the practice purpose. So overall 80 hours marathon will be there of lectures and doubt classes. All your doubts will be solved into the live lectures. So in live lectures you will also get the guidance, mentorship, you will learn to the quick solving technique use and also the topper strategies. So you can make your strategies according to them. You have to face the clusters of 5000 questions for the practice purpose, and that's data is enough for the CUET. So you have a lot of data for the practice, and if you talk about the entrance exam, then guys you have to focus more on the practice part because only the practice makes perfect. So you can learn all the shortcut tricks, you will learn how to apply and when to apply, you will be familiar with more and more question types. So practice makes you confident for the preparation. Now fourth point, you will get access for the topic tests and the mock tests. So overall you can evaluate yourself or you can do analysis at which particular stage you are. So topic test with respect to all the sections, all the topics, and mock test, the full length mock test, and that will be the complete replica of your CUET exam. And in the live lectures you will get overall guidance how to develop your skills. So you will get overall guidance for the micro presentation and even for the personal interview. So whatever the selection criteria CUET will conduct, you will get preparation for all those selection criterias. So guys, these are the 5 boosters which can enhance your preparation so you can easily crack the CUET 2021. So guys, if you wanna join our crash course, call our board line number 8828581455. So guys, tell me which particular campus is your target? The Bangalore Central campus, Baneghatta campus and Bangalore Kenjeri campus. So these 3 campuses are in Bangalore, and the rest one, the Delhi NCR campus and the Pune Lavasa campus. So guys, if you want details about all these campuses, their seat intake, eligibility criteria, selection process, paper pattern of CUET and various facilities offered, so you can watch our previous video where I have mentioned all these details about each particular campuses. Now why only CUET? Because in Christ the BBA is a flagship program. And guys, this is the business world. So if you wanna do something different in your life or in your career, then you should have some different skills with respect to all others. So these all are the institutes are not stick with the academics only. These all developed you by the 360 degrees. So from all around you will learn to all the skills, the business skills, the leadership skills, the managerial skills and various other skills, so you can easily tolerate any of these situations. So either you try off-campus interview, then don't worry about the placement guys, because the only college tag will provide you your dream job. So let's talk about the career scope and the placement. So what are the careers option, guys? If you are in Christ, although you will get the 100% placement there. Now if you want to move for the further studies, even you can get the MBA from the Christ University. You will be work at a managerial post. So your key domain will be marketing, the finance domain. Okay, you can work in HRM, that is human resource management, and also on various managerial posts. So if we talk about the past recruiters, then these all are the top known companies who takes part each year in the recruitment process. And if you talk about the salary packages, then guys, these all are the packages. The highest package was the 13.12 lakh per annum. The average was 8.2 lakh and the lowest package was 6.0 lakh per annum. Now if we talk about the fee structure, then guys, it might be vary, but if we compare the fee structure and the placement, then this will gives you the best return on the investment. So guys, if you want to enter into the Christ, let's prepare for the CUET. So join Manu online program. You can enroll for the books, mock test, sectional course, full course. If you want to interact live with us, call or WhatsApp on these number or visit manuedu.com/pbentrance. This link also mentioned in the description, guys. So kindly check the description and don't forget subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get all the updates with respect to the CUET. So if you want to join our classroom preparations, you can join us at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So this is all about today's video, guys. All the best for your preparations. See you in the next video.